This is the SoftOtaku intro song. I know it isn't very long. This video. What to get to drink? What to get to drink?
This is black sesame ice cream. I love it. I was looking for it. I found it. I'm happy. I'm gonna eat it. This is the other flavors. They're whatever. I don't care. She said don't eat it outside. Look outside. Look outside. She said don't eat it outside because the birds will swoop down and eat it. That really makes me want to try. These birds are ridiculous. But I'm not gonna because I love this ice cream. That's all. Goodbye. They want my ice cream. There's the tip of my ice cream cone. Come on, birds. Come and get it. You know you want it. I don't think they're coming. 来ないよ。あと近いからね。
これが見えへんかもしれない。
だって色全然違うから。お、近い。
来た。
惜しいな。
ちょっと見えたかな。
また来るかな。ちょっと。
また怖いもった。
それ惜しかったね。
気づいてないの？
それは美味しそうではなかったかな。よろてよ。Come on, baby. You want some ice cream? Go ahead. So yummy in your tummy. 食べたらしいのかな。うわ、いいね。だから。よろてよ。うわ。いいね。うわ、いいね。取れてたかな。
食べてる。
ちょっと見てなかった。僕がまた来る。
怖い。
もうなんもないよ。ごちそうさまでした言ってね。